This is Conn2Flow, and today we're going to talk about the installation, the updating process, and the multilingual system of the Conn2Flow open source CMS. If you enjoy our content, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's start with the installation. First, access our main repository. The link is in the description. It's very simple. On the main page, you will find the Quick Install section. Here are the prerequisites: Apache, PHP 8, and MySQL. Though other versions will work without any issues. Go to the installation section and click in the link. It will automatically download the installation package, which is installer.zip. Save it anywhere on your target machine. Remember, everything needs to be configured by hand: the database, the server, and the web server. Once downloaded, just open the zip file. Basically, you are going to unzip it. You need to extract the files into your public HTML folder. In your specific case, you are creating a new folder called installer, but you can put it directly in the root. Remember, this folder implies your public HTML, www, or htdocs. Select the installer and extract everything using your unzip tool. We will take the path to the folder, paste it here, and finally click in the extract button. Once you click extract, it will replace all the necessary installation files into the folder. Now, just access it directly through your browser. In our case, it's localhost/installer. Select your language and run the installer. It will start the setup. The first step requires your database configuration. You need to enter your database host, database user, database name, and the password. Next, select if you want SSL and a clean installation. It is important to set a folder outside of public HTML for security. Set up the system administrator account with your desired details and click install. It will download the latest version from the GitHub repository, unzip it, update the database, and redirect you to success page. You will be automatically logged in. Just click Access Panel to go to the dashboard. Now, let's talk a bit about the system multilingual features. Inside the system, you have the Environment Configuration Administration module. Just select the configurator and go to the Language Settings tab. Currently, you have two languages installed, Portuguese and English. Select the language you want and click Save Configuration. Just reload the page and the system will be in the language you selected. Here we are switching from English to Portuguese. There it's in Portuguese. Now we'll switch back to English to show that you can do this at any time. Now let's update the system using the update mode. Just access the updater. You have the main options at the top, which include fully installing files or database. In our specific case, we are going to do a complete install, but those options are available. Just click the Run Update button. You also have advanced settings. Just click to check the boxes. You can configure various options, include choose the tag directly from GitHub. Finally, click the Run Update button. You can see the output log showing that it found Version Manager 2.5.3 in full mode. It downloads, unzips, and updates the database. If there are no problems, it returns the result and finalizes the process. Just refresh the page to see the updated system. To confirm it updated correctly, look down here. It shows the latest version you just downloaded, the 2.5.3. We also have an execution store here for you. It tracks the tag updates, all installations, and the mode we used, showing they were all successful. Additionally, you can view the log, the return response of the updater. To see if there were any issues, you have an identifier for each update. Since the backend contains sensitive update files, you have records both here as physical files and up there as logs stored in the database, only stored on the disk in case the database fails, and vice versa. So, that concludes our video on installation, updates, and multilingual support. Thank you very much.